Welcome to the video series that's all about climbing the ladder of vibration and manifesting the life of your dreams. I'm Stephanie Mulac, and today we are going to talk about committing to the long term. Now, so often I see people who get involved in things that they want that immediate gratification. And granted, we have turned into a society that thrives on immediate gratification. I mean, back in the day when I was doing computer repair and somebody had a problem with their computer that involved getting a file from a manufacturer, wait for it, believe it or not, you had to actually pick up the phone, call the manufacturer, tell them what it was that you needed, give them your physical address, wait approximately a week, and they would send you a file on a floppy disk. And yes, I'm dating myself, but some of you will actually know what I'm talking about. And wait for that to arrive in the mail in order to complete the repair for that client. Now, that's unfathomable in today's society. I mean, we are up in arms if we can't do a Google search and on the first click go and find what it is that we need and have it sitting there waiting for us. But that wasn't always the case. And one thing that is timeless is making a commitment when you have a goal and committing to the long term as opposed to expecting that it's going to happen overnight. And I'm not exactly, granted, there is no magic wand, and we know that, we're not really talking about situations where people are expecting that immediate gratification to become rich overnight or win the lottery or, find the person of their dreams. What I'm talking about is more of a situation where you have a goal and you have a plan. And even after you've been at it for 6 months, or after you've been at it for a year, understanding that there's going to be highs and lows in the situation. There's going to be stumbling blocks. There's going to be stalls. There's going to be times where you plateau and you think you're never going to reach that 4-figure to 5-figure income increase, or to go from 5 figures to 6 figures and you feel like you're treading water forever. But the most important thing is to realize that you're in this for the long term. That month or two in the bigger picture of a 5-year scenario is going to be a blip on a radar when you look back on it when you're making millions, or when you have accomplished the career path, or when you have lost the weight that you're intending on losing. When you are going through anything of significance, it's usually not a couple month scenario. It's usually, in many instances, maybe not even a year scenario. It's year after year building upon and building up to bigger and better things and greater things to come. But in the moment, that little opportunity where something goes wrong, and it's your chance to go, okay, it's in the moment, we're having a little bit of a struggle here, but when I step back 5 years from now, this is going to be a faded memory. This is going to be something that just passes and something that I can easily overcome. So when you are looking at anything of importance, remember you are in it for the long term, and treat it as if it is a long-term scenario, that all the little things along the way, the successes as well as the stumbles and the challenges, are all part of a bigger picture, and anything that you struggle with is going to pale in comparison to the ultimate outcome. If you enjoyed this video, please show me some love, give it a big thumbs up, click the like button below, and leave a comment and let me know anything that you would like to see in a future video, as well as share it with anyone that you know who could benefit from this message. And until next time, keep climbing the ladder of vibration.